Hey y'all, and good morning. Well, I wanted to give you an update on the beach house. As you know, we've been super crazy around here with the last month and a half with Hardy being in and out of the hospital. Thank you so much for all your love and prayers, and he is doing better. He is back to work today, but I wanted to show you what I've been doing over here at the house to get it ready so we can get our pictures taken and we can get this online for our summer guests. Okay, so let me show you around and don't judge because it's a big mess. And when I'm doing this, it looks like I have ADHD, but hopefully I don't. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so we just came in the front door, and this is the first bathroom downstairs. So yesterday, my neighbor, who is a plumber, he came in with his guys and put in a new faucet and a new toilet. So we're just kind of giving this a little mini makeover. And then I got most of the paint done in here except for around the edges. I've got to finish up that. And then I've also got to get these taken off. These have almost like welded themselves shut. So I've been working on trying to get those off. But that is what this bathroom is looking like right now. Put a new towel holder on, and it matches with the faucet, and then also a new toilet paper holder. And I had to patch a little hole right there. So I've got to paint that as well. So loving these higher toilets in here because the other ones were so small. And these are such nice toilets. These are the Kohler ones. My plumber said he recommends Kohler. So we got the Elliston is the style in the Kohler. So we're excited about new potties. It's crazy to be excited about potties. This hallway here, we've not done anything. You can see all of the stains. So I need to get this wall patched up. And then our floor guys had covered up our little smoke detector. I did get that cleaned. I do want to replace that light, but for right now, we're just going to leave that one put and then get this wall refreshed. So this is Sea Salt by Sherwin Williams. That was the color that was here. And then the bedrooms are sea salt as well, but you can see it looks different in different lighting. So it's kind of an interesting color, has a base of a gray, which I really like. And then in the bathroom, you can see this was the sea salt. You see how much darker it is up there at the top? And I lightened it by 50% because our bathrooms are so tiny. You can just get them to lighten the color that you like. It does change, you have to be okay with the color changing, but it does make it a lot lighter and a lot brighter. So today I want to finish up the trim in here, get all of this cleaned up, and then I ordered shower curtain and shower rod to go in there. So hopefully buttoning that up today. Then in the first bedroom here, you can see this has become like a catch-all for everything as we're unpacking boxes. So we brought all of our furniture in. We had movers move us on Saturday from our storage building, and all of this was the furniture at our Baydream Cottage, which was in Norfolk. So we moved all of this furniture back in, and our movers were so spectacular because we could not have done this by ourselves. So just a great group of guys. If you're in the Emerald Isle area and you need some movers, I could definitely give you a recommendation. So in here, we're just going to get the new mattress protectors, and those are coming in the mail today. And box spring cover, because our box spring got a little bit dirty in the move. Even though I had it covered, it still got dirty. So new cover for that, a new cover for this, and I used two covers. So I used the one that's a waterproof one for the mattress that zips all the way around, and then I used the mattress pad. So we got those coming. We'll get this room made up, and then I'm looking for lighting. I went yesterday and couldn't find any lighting that I like, so I'm on the search for that. We also have new doorknobs that need to go on, and I've got a box of those, so that'll take a little bit of time to get those on. Now in this room, I did get this room painted, and this is called North Star. It's the same color that we have in our house, Bay Lake Escape, and I really like this one. Now the day I was painting, I did not have any spackles, so I've got to go back and fix those, sand the holes, and then add the touch-up paint. But our movers got our bunk beds in. which was a major feat to fit in this room. And I'm going to do the same thing with the mattresses here. I've got new covers coming. I just used my old covers to have them in storage, and then I'll just throw those away or donate them, wash them and donate them. So that's what we have in here. And then we left this little dresser thing here that they already had from the previous homeowners. And we've got a new light to go in there. We're definitely taking down the fan because we don't want anybody to take their heads off. So we got this fan, and it has a little night light built into it. So we'll see how this goes. I said fan, I mean light. So we'll see if maybe it'll brighten it up in here. And this is the mattress protectors that I use, but I had to order more of them. And they zip all the way around the mattress, and they're waterproof. You can wash them, but I really like those. Seems like a little overkill to use that and the mattress protector, but not with rentals. And then in here, this is the master. Same thing, a lot of the old pictures from the previous owner, and then some of our pieces that we've been unpacking. And so Hardy really likes this anchor. So we're going to probably put that up in this little sunroom area. We're going to do new lighting in here. And I think with the walls in here, I might just kind of touch up some places, but the walls actually look pretty good in here. So thinking about getting away with not having to paint this room, which would be so nice. Oh my goodness, get tired of painting. Then in this room here, where they did the floors, they were able to build this up with plywood. So before you kind of had to step down into this room, and now you just step across the little threshold. And our movers moved this chair down here. So that's been nice. Have a little TV set up. I was looking, this TV is like from 2000 and I can't remember, like 2002, I think. But it's still working, which is crazy. So just moved some things over here. And I think same thing with this room. The lighting actually is pretty good in here. This one's a pretty bright fan. So we'll just clean the fan. And I'd like to have another chair right here so it can be like a little sitting area when you're just wanting to come off the bedroom and just sit and enjoy the television for a few minutes. But the floors look so gorgeous, guys. I do have to touch up on my baseboards where they got a little scuffed up, but that just happens when you get new flooring. Now in this room, we're a little tight on space. We barely got this nightstand in, and you can see you're not going to be able to use that door, but when most people are coming to visit, you don't bring a lot of clothes with you anyway, so they'll just have to use that door. They can place luggage here and some shoes here on our little stand. I love these little stands. They used to sell them at IKEA, but they don't have that same brand anymore. And then we couldn't fit a nightstand there unless it was going to hit the door. So we figured we put it here, and maybe we can figure out, like we did at our place at Beach Mountain, we actually did some little sconces on the side of the walls, and it had like a little built-in shelf. Or I just get like a little skinny table to go there. So you can have a place to put your phone or book or glasses or whatever. And then in here, this room has been completely painted. I do need to probably do a little bit more touch up around the ceiling. And we did the 50% of the sea salt in here. Also got a new potty and the new fixture there, which I'm super happy about. And then over here, we are going to just update our little shower head there. And yeah, it's pretty good. I need to do a little bit more touch-up paint around that area. I can tell at looking at it, it's a little bit darker. We wanted to replace these fixtures, but we're running into a little plumbing problem, and they don't make those particular valves. You'd have to change the valve stem. So we'll just have to wait until we remodel those bathrooms completely. But they'll be clean and they'll be functional. So that's what matters. All right, so let's go up the stairs. I think the guys did a beautiful job with the stairs. Now we still have to work on this part right here, going up, because you can see they're not all wood. This one here is like a painted wood. So that's still in the process of being worked on. But these are white oak floor treads, and I think they look so beautiful. The guys did such a good job with them. And then going up here, another piece of white oak, which is really pretty. And there is the floors up here. You can really see them in the light. So this is a mixture of different furnitures here. So we actually use this as a coffee bar at our last house, but it's actually for like storage and for wine bottles. So this is what we're going to use this for over here. And it almost fits perfectly, guys. It's a little bit further over here, but this door is stationary. But I think it looks so good in here with all the different colors. And the glass is at home, so we'll have to bring the glass over here. These are the tables from the previous owner, and look how well they match. Isn't that crazy? Almost perfectly match. This is a lamp that we had bought back in, I think, 2018. We've never used it. So we're going to use it now. I actually have another one. And then this is the furniture that I bought for Bay Dream last summer or the summer before. I can't remember. So we have our chair here, and it kind of like swivels. And I have that table there, but it doesn't fit. So we got to figure out what to do with that table. But this is where my ADHD is coming into play, guys. So I was going through the pillows, and I needed to see which ones were stained and the ones that were good so I could keep the good ones and get rid of the bad ones. But I needed to be in the light so I could see them. So I have them sitting up here. And then I have all of this here because I have been going through and washing everything. So I've got the dishwasher is loaded down with pots and pans right now because I want to get everything freshly washed. And I have all the doors open so I can just take them out of the dishwasher and put them back up. Yesterday I worked on putting in new shelf liner. The old shelf liner here was almost like glued down. It was so hard to get up. But I got that up. I moved the shelf up. And then I've been slowly trying to get this organized with all of our stuff and getting rid of stuff that doesn't need to be in there. I still have to figure out what to do with all that China stuff there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I need to get some more shelf liner to go in here just to kind of make everything look nice and neat. And then I've got stuff washing over here. Got a new potty in here yesterday as well. This was one that we had in storage that we had bought and never used. So we were able to use this one. This one is an American Standard. And I will say I like the Kohler ones better. So if you're in the market for toilets, I definitely like the Kohler one. It's got like the 365 spin. And it just, I don't know, just seems to be a really good toilet for right now. Then we updated the towel hooks yesterday. I have to fix this over here, and we put one right there. And then we're going to leave this faucet for right now because I would like to get a cabinet in here. But we're definitely going to have to make sure that we get something that's small enough to fit in this space. Got the lock put on the owner's closet yesterday. These were from the previous house, so I swapped them out because the person we sold the house to wasn't going to use it as a rental. So I just put in a regular door knob for her, and I took these out. Yes, this is my craziness. Starting work on the coffee bar here. I'll move the toaster once I get that cleaned up. I'm getting stuff ready for storage. These are all like my storage boxes with Christmas and fall, and then some tools, some thrift store items, and then also working on the owner's closet. So a little crazy. A lot of these things will be going in their places once we're ready for them. That is what it is looking like, guys. Okay, so hopefully on the next update, I'll be able to show you all of the things that we've gotten done, and hopefully it'll look more like a house and less like a construction site and like craziness. But anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for following along on this journey. It has been so much fun. Definitely stay tuned for gardening content because I've been working on some stuff, guys, that I have not talked to you about because My life has been so crazy, and I want to share it with you, but it's just like one setback after the other, and I'm just hoping that Hardy's health is going to be doing well. He took his last antibiotic, I think, tonight. So that's when he got sick before, was after he took his last antibiotic. So I'm just praying, and thank you guys for all your love and prayers that he does not get sick again and that he has whipped this infection. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you have a chance to get in your gardens today. Bye, friends.